Hi, this is the second topic of OSPF Open Shortest Was Fast. So today's discussion will be OSPF packet types, DR and BDR election, and OSPF neighbor states. So let's start with OSPF packet types. So likewise EIGRP, OSPF also have 5 types of packet to communicate with routers. To communicate with routers. 1. Hello packet. This works exactly like EIGRP. These packets are for discovering and maintaining neighbors and check periodically if the neighbor is live or not. The second packet type is DBD, database description. These packets are for summarized database contents. The next one, LSR, link state request. This packet this packet type is the neighbor ask for other neighbor's LSDP file. Via this packet, one neighbor asks another neighbor for their LSDB file, link state database file. Number 4, LSU, link state update. These packets are for database updates. These packets are for the database updates. Link state acknowledgement. These packets are flooding. These packets are for flooding acknowledgements. In response of flooding LSA, it generate to ensure that and make flooding reliable. Now, the OSPF packet types. In OSPF packet types, there is hello packet. So, what hello packet contains? Hello packet contains the below. For the It contains a lot of information for establish a neighborship. One router ID. It is a 32-bit ID with an OSPF domain. Within a OSPF domain. Authentication option. It supports clear text and MD5 authentication. Must have to be same on both the neighbor to form a neighborship. Interface address and mask. Interface address and mask. The interface from where the hello packet is sent. Interface priority. The router interface priority for DR election. Hello interface. The periodic time. The periodic time after what the hello packet is sent again. Hello interval. The periodic time after what the hello packet will send again. It must be identical for all the neighboring interface. DR, designated router, and BDR, backup designated router. The IP address for the DR and BDR for the link. Active router, the list of active neighbors in the network segment. The list of active routers. The list of active neighbor routers in the network segment is the active router. So now DR and BDR election. Before we discuss about DR and BDR election, we must know why DR and BDR and the works of DR and BDR. So DR stands for designated router. It manages the flooding of link state advertisement. Backup designated router. As its name defines, it is the backup of DR designated router. And there are another types of routers as well. Those are called DR other. Except DR and BDR, all other routers on a particular network segment are DR other. Note, in DR and BDR election, all routers on a network segment choose themselves as a BDR, because if once DR established, that particular router will be the DR until the OSPF process restarted. DR election. So now we'll discuss the DR election, the process of DR elections. Now to establish DR and BDR, we have two preferences. The first preference will be the interface priority. The priority range is 0 to 255 in the OSPF domain. In the interface priority, where 0, if the interface priority is 0, that interface will not first participate in DR-BDR election, but by default the priority is 1. The more the priority is, the more chances to be the DR. Now second preference, router ID. Highest router ID will be the DR in the election. The router ID will be dedicated as below preference. Detected as below preference. 1. Manually configured router ID. If a router ID configured manually, it is the main thing to be as a router ID. Second, if we did not manually configure the router ID, the highest IP of the router's loopback interface will be the router ID. If there is no loopback interface, then the highest IP address of any of these physical active interface will be the router ID. Now the OSPF neighbor states. OSPF gone through 8 states to form a neighbor adjacency. The states are below. The first state is the down state. Down state is the initial state. It indicates that no OSPF hello packets received at the moment. The second step will be the attempt state. The attempt state works in a NBMA networks, not supports in broadcast and multi point-to-point network. INET state. Then the next step, third step will be the INET state. The hello packet is received from the neighbor, but bidirectional communication has not been established. In INET state, hello packets received from the neighbor, but bidirectional communication have not been established. 2A. In 2A state, bidirectional communication have been established. DR-BDR election occurs in this state. Now the fifth step will be X-start step. In this is the first step of forming adjacency. Routers decides which router will be master and slave for OSPF synchronization. It will be master and slave. It is not of master will be master slave for the LSDB synchronization. Then exchange. This is the in by this state router changes the link state by database description packets, DBD packets. Loading. LSR packets sent to the neighbor. The link state request packet sent to the neighbor. It is asking for more recent LSS which have been discovered but not received. In loading state, one neighbor send the LSR packet, link state request packet, to the another neighbor that any changes or any recent LSS which that neighbor received but discovered, but that does not that first neighbor have not received that LSA yet. That is why the first neighbor sends the LSR packet to the second neighbor for the adjacency. Now the last, the full state. OSPF neighbors are full. In this state, two OSPF neighbor or how much their neighbors are fully adjacent.